Sometimes you don't need to resort to movies for extraordinary stories. Sometimes these are greater than fiction and they can be experienced in the real world. It happened in a place called Capitol Hill in Seattle, United States. It is impressive that a place with much control as the one that exists in this country, and more if we talk about an event that occurred in very recent years. It appeared without anyone knowing how or when or why a mysterious vending machine appeared. The city of Seattle called Coca-Cola to see if it was theirs. They answered no, not at all. They did not have a single vending machine in that area. So then they called the mayor's office. The response was very similar. No one had asked or authorized or even listed a vending machine which was placed in such a strange place. A device of approximately 500 pounds simply appeared. It materialized. It makes us think that perhaps they threw it in there, but that doesn't make sense at all. It simply makes us think, why not throw it in a completely abandoned and remote place? And more importantly, strangest thing of all, the machine worked. And even though it was not connected to any outlet nearby, its light was on at night. Even though locals put papers on the machine that was out of order, but still the machine worked perfectly fine. The strangest thing of all is that it offered drinks in exchange for $1 coins. And of course, for future reference, in the United States, soda cans stopped costing $1 more than 10 years ago. And if you look close enough, you can see it offered your normal sodas. You will recognize many brands, but did you notice something strange? Let's take a closer look. It had two buttons called Mystery. What would happen if you inserted a coin and pressed one of them? Cans like this came out. Very strange, even from small local and almost unknown companies. One of those that you do not have a branch beyond their home, but their own towns. Soda drinks that in some cases are not even available on Amazon. You have to go to their places of elaboration to buy a can of soda of these. Drinks from Texas, Louisiana, California, Maine, etc. But yet again, we ask ourselves, who put this machine here? And who bothered to do this? Such an idea is not shared by any other vending machine in the world. No other has a mystery button. This was done by someone. Again, neither the mayor's office or the municipality, not even the neighbors, know how they put that machine in there. They even called the Motion Picture Association of the United States, and it demanded that every film company reveal if it was part of a viral campaign. And they said no. And besides, the very idea was stupid because they risked of a lawsuit from the brand Coca-Cola. Let's remember that Coca-Cola told the authorities that they had nothing to do with the matter. That's why, let me insist, who did this and why? Evidence of the existence of this machine can be found on YouTube. There were neighbors fascinated by the fact that they went to take pictures with the machine. But the strangest thing was about to happen. One morning, someone shared the news through social media. Something had happened. Something had changed. Now all the buttons were called Mystery. Again, the people responsible for this did what they do without anyone letting know or noticing. Not even anyone was able to see this from far away. After weeks of the change of buttons on the machine literally disappeared. It was a total embarrassment for the police in the area, who again saw nothing. How did they take the machine without anyone noticing? And what vehicle did they do so? This has even led to conspiracy theories. And the machine has not been seen since October of 2018. Very few people approached the machine, and the few who did will remember it for a long time. And this could be a coincidence, or maybe not. But one of the people who decided to insert the dollar coin and drank the mysterious drink instead of keeping it as a souvenir, as a few made it that way. This person drank it. That person from the area disappeared without leaving traces soon after. Today, he is in the police files as a missing person. See you soon at the final station.